What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we are reviewing the LOFREE Flow84 low-profile mechanical keyboard. This is a 75% rechargeable wireless keyboard with Bluetooth and wired connection. It features black phantom tactile switches and works with Windows and Mac OS. Let me break down the specs. It has an 84-key layout, saving desk space while keeping all essential keys. Low-profile design means sleek aesthetics without sacrificing typing comfort. Black phantom switches deliver tactile feedback with every press. Connectivity is versatile. You get Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless use with up to 3 devices. The included USB dongle offers lag-free connection. Wired mode via USB-C charges while you type. Battery lasts weeks on a single charge. The black phantom tactile switches are smooth and responsive. Actuation force feels just right for typing and gaming. Low-profile design reduces finger travel distance. Keys are stable with minimal wobble. Build quality is impressive. Top plate is durable plastic with clean finishing. Keycaps are high quality with clear legends. The black phantom color scheme looks stealthy and professional. RGB backlighting adds style with multiple effects. Compatibility is excellent. Dedicated switches for Windows and Mac OS. Keycaps include both system modifiers. Works seamlessly with laptops, desktops, tablets, and phones. The 75% layout means compact footprint for travel. Typing experience is satisfying. Tactile bump is noticeable but not loud. Low-profile keys feel modern and comfortable. Great for long typing sessions without fatigue. Stabilizers are well tuned with minimal rattle. Battery life is solid. 2000 mAh battery lasts weeks with RGB off. USB-C charging is quick and convenient. The keyboard wakes instantly from sleep with zero lag. If you want a premium low-profile mechanical keyboard with wireless freedom, the LOFREE Flow84 delivers. Link to buy on Amazon is in the description. Thanks for watching.